Hi everyone. It's Christmas season. Everybody's going to parties and having potlucks or big family gatherings. And they asked you to bring something and you want it to be a little bit different. You don't want to bring the same thing that 3 other people will be bringing. So today I have an appetizer for you. And what's that, you may ask? Well, how about pickles in a blanket? What all goes into the pickles in a blanket? 8 crescent rolls, 2 whole dill pickles quartered. If you've got the spears, then just cut them in half crosswise. 4 strips of bacon, cooked crispy. So I'm just using the microwave bacon. You're going to a party, you want to get this done as quick as possible. 1 tablespoon ranch dressing, 1/3 cup shredded cheddar cheese. I don't have cheddar cheese, so I'm going to be using the Mexican 4 cheese. 4 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1 egg for the egg wash, and sesame seeds for garnish. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 350. So if you have whole pickles, you only need 2 and you want to cut them into 4ths. If you have spears, you'll need 4 and then cut them in half. Equals out to be the same thing, it's just less cutting if you use spears, in my estimation. And I'm all about easy. And then set that aside. Take a bowl and dump in your 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. I had this sitting out for 2 hours. Thought it would be softer than the brick kind, but it's still not very soft, but we'll make it work. And then your 1/3 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Again, mine is Mexican blend 4 cheese. The 4 slices of crispy cooked bacon, and I crumbled them. And your 1 tablespoon of ranch dressing. And mix that until thoroughly combined. And by doing this, it will make the cream cheese a little bit softer, I hope. Take a baking sheet. I did lightly grease it so they won't stick. That may or may not be a good thing. It didn't tell me to. I'm going to open this. Off camera, you want to lay these out on your baking sheet. Then on your larger end you start with, and you're going to spread your cream cheese mix all the way down to the end. You take a pickle piece and put it on the larger end, and then just roll it up like you do a crescent. I'm going to put it sideways like that. I'll do one more for you and then I'll do the rest off camera. Okay, see how much easier that went on? Take your pickle piece and wrap it up like you do a regular crescent roll. And like I said, I'm putting them sideways so I have more room. I'll finish that up and I'll go back to the next step. So then just take your egg wash and then just brush it on the top. This will help it get browner, and it will also help keep the sesame seeds on the crescent rolls. All right, and then we'll just sprinkle our sesame seeds on them. This is all Dave's going to get to eat tonight, so hopefully he likes them. They are appetizers, but so put your pickles in a blanket in a preheated 350-degree oven for 13 to 15 minutes or until the tops are golden brown. All right, so after 15 minutes, I took them out of the oven. They are brown on the edges and I know on the bottom. We want to remove them right away so they will stop their cooking and then let them rest for 5 minutes. So here are the pickles in a blanket. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Looks like aloe vera or something in there. Is that a pickle?
That is a pickle. Those are a pickle in a blanket.
Pickle in a blanket, all right. There's some ham in there, looks like.
Bacon.
Bacon. It's interesting. I mean, it's good. It's different. So if you're looking for different for appetizer or something, this is that. And the pickle's hot, so not spicy hot, but heat hot. Gives it a, I don't know if it's a different flavor, but texture. I like these. They're good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.